स्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Between yesterday's mistake and tomorrow's hope, there is a fantastic opportunity called today. Leave it, love it. The day is yours. Namaste. I, Angi, welcome you all to the Unit Assembly of SNK Juniors K2 Unit A. Let's make this good day a better one by praying the Almighty.
નમસ્તે. દરેકના જીવનમાં એક સાચો ગુરુ હોય છે જે પોતાના શિષ્યોને સાચો રસ્તો અને સાચો માર્ગ બતાવે છે. ખૂબ જ પ્રાચીન ભજન આટલો જન્મ સુધારો, ગુરુજી મારો આટલો જન્મ સુધારો. આ પ્રાચીન ભજનમાં ગુરુ માટે સુંદર ભાવ રજૂ થયો છે કે અમારા અંતરના આત્મામાં રહેલી શક્તિઓને જે ઓળખાવે એ ગુરુને સાક્ષાત વંદન.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
गुरु गोविंद दोनों खड़े किसको लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरुदेव के तूने गोविंद दियो बताए। जय गुरुदेव जय गुरुदेव।
मेरी उंगली पकड़ के चलते थे, मेरी उंगली पकड़ के चलते थे, अब मुझे रास्ता दिखाते हैं, मुझे किस तरह से जीना है, मेरे बच्चे मुझे सिखाते हैं. Yes, you guessed it right. Our theme for today is Generation Now and Then. दादी और पोते की मीठी नोक-झोंक कभी खत्म नहीं होती, चाहे वो सालों पहले की बात हो या आज की. हा हा हा, ऐसी ही कुछ मीठी नोक-झोंक लेकर आ रहे हैं रियान.
Rian, what are you doing?
दादा, I am playing cricket in phone.
What? Cricket on mobile? Why don't you play cricket outdoors? It will help you stay fit and fine. You will enjoy more when you play on the ground.
Dada, all my friends are busy playing games on phone and even it is too hot outside, so I don't want to go out.
Rian, Dada is right. We used to play outside when we were kids. Sattali, hopscotch, hide and seek were among our favorite games.
Rian, you can play games on mobile sometimes, but you will feel good and enjoy more when you are on the ground.
Sure, Dada, it is a very good idea.
Okay. Rian, can you please pass rice bowl to me? Rian, can you please pass rice bowl to me?
Oh, Dada, take it.
Listen, Rian, whenever we are on dinner table, we try to talk to each other.
Daddy, please don't disturb me. Let me watch my favorite cartoon.
Rian, do you know, when I was of your age, at dinner table, we as a family used to talk to each other and share our experience.
Even when I was young, even I had gadgets, but we never used it on lunch or dinner table. Because that is the time when the family is together and that is the best possible chance to have a conversation.
Rian, as Daddy said, we should practice family time and avoid gadgets while eating.
Done, Dada. I will try avoiding gadgets during family time.
What are you doing, Rian? Nowadays you are using your iPad too much. This will harm your eyes.
Dada, what can I do? My homework comes in the gadget. And my ma'am also teaches me online, so I have to use gadget for studies.
Too many things have changed in this generation. Yes, my son. Now even the way you study has changed.
Is it, Dada? How?
There were no special facilities in our time. We did not have many books also. We used slate and chalk. Gadgets were not there at all.
Yes, Rian, that's true. And when I went to school, there were facilities, but not like today. Gadgets were not much in use. We used books only.
Dada, I like the way my teacher teaches me, that is on board, books and even gadgets.
Yes, my son. Ways of learning are different, but learning remains same.
છો? કોઈ કહે, અરે તું તો હવે મોટો થઈ ગયો. તો સમજવાનું શું? હું નાનો કે હું મોટો? કોઈ જરા કહેશો? યસ, આન્યા અને પરમ સાથે બી કંઈક એવું જ થાય છે. તો ચાલો જોઈએ.
વેજીટેબલ્સ ચોપ કરું છું.
મને ટમેટો ખાવો છે.
હા, ખાઈ લે.
મામા હું ચોપ કરું.
બેટા વાગી જશે.
મામા પ્લીઝ, મને કરવું છે પ્લીઝ.
બેટા તું નાની છો. આન્યા, મમ્મી, ચલો જમવા. ચાલ આન્યા જમવા. ચલ, આપણા બેમાં કોણ ફટાફટ જમી લેશે?
ના દાદી, મને ખવડાવી દ્યો ને.
એ શું? હવે તું મોટી થઈ ગઈ છો, જાતે જમી લે.
ડેડી, ડેડી,
હા બરો.
તમે શું કરો છો?
હું ઓફિસ વર્ક કરું છું બેટા.
મને પણ લેપટોપમાં વર્ક કરવા દો ને.
ના બેટા, તને ના આવડે. તારે લેપટોપ ન આવડાય, તું હજી નાનો છો.
મમ્મા, મમ્મા, ઉભા રે, રમવા જાઉં છું.
ઓકે બેટા, જા પણ શૂઝ પહેરીને જાજે.
ઓકે મમ્મા. દાદુ, દાદુ.
શું થયું હવે?
મને પ્લીઝ શૂઝ પહેરાવી આપો ને.
શું કામ હું તને પહેરાવું? તું મોટો થયો છો, નાનો થોડો છો. જાતે પહેરી લે અને મને વાંચવા દે.
પ્લીઝ દાદુ. હું નાનો કે હું મોટો? મને કોઈ સમજાવશે? There are no 7 wonders of the world in the eyes of a child. There are 7 millions. Yes, there is never an end to one's dreams and imagination. Our friend Keshvi, Tilak and Chayan are here with one such performance.
What are you doing, Keshvi?
I am doing my homework. Oh, I have so much to write today.
Oh, that's okay, Keshvi. Stop your work just now. You can do it later on. Let's go and watch your favorite cartoon on TV. Let's watch together and have fun.
Oh, am I dreaming?
Hello, Chayan. How are you? What are you doing?
Mom, where have you been?
I have been to supermarket. Look what I have got for you. Chips, biscuits, cold drink, and your favorite chocolate. Would you like to have some chips?
Oh my God, am I dreaming?
Namaste and good morning, children. Today we are going to solve one addition problem sum worksheet, that is page number 214. So get ready with your worksheet.
Which booklet did it?
Beta, you are going to take out addition booklet. Children, did you all finish your worksheet?
Yes, Didi, I have finished my worksheet.
Okay. Now, children, do you all know that we are going to meet at school, okay? And we are going to have fun time where we all are going to play games and we have lot of fun and we are going to have gala time.
Ooh, am I dreaming, Didi? There are always two sides of a coin, so it's a child's choice. Few kids like to be on the go, and some kids want things their way. Here we have one such performance by Diana and Jian, representing two sides of a coin.
कस के जूता कस के बेल्ट खौस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट मंजिल को चली सवारी कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में फाइल मन में दम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे टस से मस ना होंगे हम दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो ये सोते भी है टेंशन आगे रहने की है टेंशन मेहनत इनको प्यारी है एकदम आज्ञाकारी है आज्ञाकारी है ये ऑमलेट पर ही जीते हैं ये टॉनिक सारे पीते हैं वक्त पे सोते वक्त पे खाते तान के सीना बढ़ते जाते दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो यहाँ अलग अंदाज है जैसे छिड़ता कोई साज है हर काम को टाला करते हैं ये सपने पाला करते हैं ये हरदम सोचा करते हैं ये खुद से पूछा करते हैं क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो क्यों मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो ये वक्त के कभी गुलाम नहीं इन्हें किसी बात का ध्यान नहीं तितली से मिलने जाते हैं ये पेड़ों से बतियाते हैं ये हवा बटोरा करते हैं बारिश की बूंदे पड़ते हैं और आसमान के कैनवस पे ये कलाकारियां करते हैं क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो क्यों मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो क्यों मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो क्यों मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो क्यों मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो
academic year 2020 and 21 has come to an end. Though tough, but yes, a memorable one. Let's look at how our year was.
खोलो खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे, खूंटे से बंधी है हवा मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे। आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके, आसमां का शामे आना आज हमें है सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू। ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए, खुद को जरा पहचान तू। तू धूप है झम से बिखर, तू है नदी बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू। पासी जिंदगी उदासी ताजी हंसने को राजी, गर्मा गर्म सारी अभी अभी है उतारी। जिंदगी तो है बताशा मीठी मीठी सी है आशा, चक ले रख ले हथेली से ढक ले इसे। तुझ में अगर प्यास है, बारिश का घर भी पास है। रोके तुझे कोई क्यों भला, संग संग तेरे आकाश है। तू धूप है झम से बिखर, तू है नदी बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही।
Every kid, including me, longs for a childhood which was then. So with that thought in mind, Sahaj will now present point to socho.
Childhood today. Wow, so much to do. A lot of things to do. Playing in the garden, cuddling soft toys, watching TV, playing games on mobile, which I love the most. But Daddy says it was more fun when she was a child. It was climbing trees, plucking fruits, playing freely out of the houses, and so on. And you know what? Even Mom's childhood was much more interesting. Playing hide and seek, kho-kho, cricket, gilli-danda in gullies with friends. And even carom was another all-time favorite. Mom and Daddy's childhood has put me into a thought. सोचो अगर मुझे इस बचपन के साथ उनका बचपन भी मिल जाए तो बड़ा मजा आ जाए। सोचो सोचो।
Be it generation now or then, national anthem has been equally significant. So let us all rise for the national anthem. Assembly Saudhan.
Jana Gana Mana Adhinayaka
जीवन का मर्म और मनुष्य देह का धर्म क्या है, उसका ज्ञान गुरु के चरणों में जाकर ही मिलता है। प्रस्तुत रचना में मीराबाई ने पूर्ण पुरुषोत्तम कृष्ण भगवान को ही अपना गुरु मान लिया है और कहा है, मोहे लागी लगन गुरु चरणन की, क्योंकि चरण बिना मोहे कछु नहीं भावे, बाकी सब माया है। और कहा है, भवसागर भले ही सूख गया है, मगर कृष्ण भगवान ने मेरा हाथ पकड़ा हुआ है, तो मुझे तैरने की या डूबने की चिंता ही नहीं है। आइए सुनते हैं।